This is live auction plus online as well. This is a Nissan GTR R35 thing, and the second thing, I'm going to show you the most cheapest car. The auction is about to start. I can see a lot of people are staying, and this is Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Azur from AzooL channel, and yes, today we are back with another auction, guys, and this auction is a little bit special. So this is live auction plus online as well. So how it works, so for example, you couldn't make to this place, it's very hard for you to make it on the time, you're somewhere out, you couldn't make in this place, so just take out your phone, bet online. So this is the best way. It's very smart, genius. This is amazing. So let's see this place and see what kind of car they have and all these cars, guys. So I'm going to show you the most expensive car first thing, and the second thing, I'm going to show you the most cheapest car for this shop and start the video. I'm going to tell you something else. We have in here at least like 3 special cars. One of them are this Jaguar F-Type, and the other one is the Nissan GTR R35, and the other one is the Porsche Turbo. And those cars is not for the auction, guys, because as how the system work on these cars, this is buy now. So they have in each car they have a special price on it. If you agree on the price, pay the cash and take the car. So it's those cars are not on the auction. So I'm gonna give you all information about those cars as well. It's a Jaguar F-Type, and the other one is the Nissan GTR R35, and the other one is a Porsche. Check that car also as well. This is a Nissan GTR R35, guys, and the accident is on the right side front.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And this is the interior, guys. It's the, I think I can see the previous owner was making a lot of race on this car, because I can see the cage is there on the car, and the seats is all changed. It's not the factory one. This is the race front seats, and even the passenger as well, guys. So I don't have any information about the mileage. So this car have to have lots of race on his. And this is the Jaguar F-Type, the S package, guys, and this is, and the accidents on the front. I can see we need to change the headlights, of course we need to change the bonnet, and of course the bumper. So let's see from interior how's the condition. Guys, it looks very amazing from the back. It have the twin output for the exhaust. This is the all-wheel drive, the S package. And this is the other special car they have. It's buy now, it's not for the auction, guys. It's Porsche. And this is the car. The accident is not on the front, the accident on the side. Driver door, I can see totally have to change the driver door. Of course we have a problem with the rear fender as well. It looks amazing also, this car. And this is the cars they have auction. So starting from the number 1 till 87 cars, guys. This is the a single day they do auction, and I can see the most expensive one was, so I was searching for the most expensive car, and this is the one. It's 51,500 silver, and this is a 4Runner Toyota. So let's see that car as well. So I'm gonna search what's the most cheapest car they have in here, and of course I find the most cheapest car they have here, and starting price is 2,500. It's a white 2005 Camry, so we're gonna check that as well, guys. most of the cars in here, you can see all of them are accident on the front. So the accident front is very hard to repair, guys, especially because all the important of a vehicle thing is on the front, like example the headlight, the front bumper, the radiator condensers and supports. So those things are very costly as well to repair it. But even the used market, if you want to search for those things, it's very hard to find because many people are looking for those parts. But if the car is accident on the back, it will be more cheap to fix it, of course, because there's no any important stuff on the back. As much we have the rear bumper and some stop light, and those things are also very cheap. Because back, or even you want to buy a car with accidents on the front, try to buy an accident on one side. Guys, the amount of the car they do auction is amazing. They do 87 cars. So it's getting dark, guys, and this is the car, the most expensive car they have in here. Starting price is 51,500, I guess. Yeah, it's 51,500 starting from this car. And the reason is very expensive because the model, it's 2019, guys, and the accident is not too bad as well. So that's the reason this car is the most expensive car in here. So this is the cheapest car they have in here. It's a 2005 Toyota Camry, and starting bid is 2,500. It'll be around like $800. From inside I can see there's no airbag damage. That's a good sign. And even the items, I can see there's a headlight, bumper, some other stuff for the front accident when it survived, so it's still they put on the car. And from engine I can see it's not doing well, it's not in a good condition. I can see already some leaks. So guys, this was the one of most cheapest car they have in here and one of the most expensive car. And the reason was this was 2019, and the reason for this was an old model as well. So we are waiting for the auction to be started. They're gonna auction, so they're gonna start the auction after like 20 minutes. Gonna wait for that auction. We'll see how's the prices, how's the system work, because the system, as I told you, I already mentioned, it's a live auction plus online as well. For some reason it couldn't make in this place, so you have the second option. You can bet it from your smartphone, from any computer. Just go to the website and log in, and after that you can start the betting as well, guys. The auction is about to start. I can see a lot of people are staying, and
هونداي الكترا 2017 موديل 2017 ماشيه 59,000 ميل، سعرها شغاله جيرو كي ماكينه اوكي. اول عطاء 24,525 انهار 26,000 انهار 26 انهار 26 انهار. Who give me more? 27,000 انهار 28,000. Who give me more? 28 انهار 28,500. Who give me 29 29 الى انت 30 30,000 30,000 تعالى 30,000. Who give me more? 2017 model 30,000 1 30,000 2 30,000 3 order. So congratulations 30,000. Next one 500 هتروح ببلاش. انجن اوكي، جير اوكي، رنجات سبارك 2017 ماشيه 16,000 ميل. مور 30 انهار تستاهل السياره 13,500 سياره ضد المدينه 2017 اول عام.
Guys, this is end of this video. For the lighting, I'm sorry because it's too dark. I cannot record properly as well. So the auction is start, and they're gonna continue all those cars, all for the auction, guys. And it's kind of boring to show you all of those, what exactly the prices go. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna write all the information for this shop and any shop I'm visiting in the description down below. You can check their location, you can check their website, much more. So guys, this is the end of this video. Please make sure to subscribe and like our video. Please don't forget to share this video as well for those people who are interested in this kind of stuff, who are interested to buy. And for all the information for this shop, I'm going to write down in the description below. You can check them out, and you can follow me also in my social media as well. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you for the next video.